Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Indeed account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Indeed account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address indeed.com and hit on enter. And then on the next step will be directed to the home page of Indeed over here guys. Now scroll this. And now in order to log into your Indeed account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button. And over here you will be required to enter these credentials with which you want to log into your Indeed account, like your Google account or Apple account. You'll be able to sign into your Indeed with your Google or Apple if you want to by clicking on these buttons. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you'll be logged into your Indeed account with the same accounts. And that being said guys, for a manual login into your email address over here, and after that click on continue. On the next step you'll be required to enter your password, and after entering your password guys, you'll be logged into your Indeed account on your PC. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your Indeed account on your computer online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.